Ops, pause, stop.
Hello guys, welcome back to Reza Ria Gaming channel guys. Okay, so sebelum mulakan video jangan lupa like, comment, share dan subscribe dan aktifkan juga loceng notifikasi supaya korang tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini guys. Okay guys, so pada petang ini kita nak mereview lagi game ya. Kembali lagi bersama saya Fazlin Hakim. Kita dalam konten gaming ya. Okay, gaming PC. Okay, gaming di Windows lah. Okay, so pada petang ni kita nak mereview sebuah game yang diberi nama Super Liam. Okay, Super Liam. Okay, so game Super Liam ni dia game side scroller. Okay, so left right arrow macam biasa kan, up arrow untuk lompat, left right arrow untuk jalan. Dan game ni ada cerita je. Okay, dia bukan shooting game, dia mengikut cerita game ni. So game ni ada cerita dia. Okay, mengisahkan seorang remaja, okay, yang bernama Liam, okay, yang cuba mengalahkan X1 ya. X1 ni adalah sebuah robot yang berkuasa. Okay, robot ni bahaya bahaya, sangat-sangat bahaya. Nah, okay, so dalam game ni ada 7 orang kata tempat. Kita ada sandy surf di mana pantai. Okay, kita akan lawan dengan enemy-enemy di pantai ni beza ada robot. Okay, dia berupa robot haiwan je, macam robot monyet, robot anjing, dan juga ada robot yang monyet tapi dia jatuhkan kelapa. Okay, tu pun ada, kita kena dodge. So nanti aku beritahu. Lepas tu kita juga ada Suburban Street, yang mana kita kena lawan dengan robot anjing dan kita kena lompat orang kata penunggang motor ya. Okay, kita kena elak daripada penunggang motor yang cuba nak langgar kita. Okay, lepas tu kita juga ada Wildwood. Okay, yang hutan. So dalam ni ada harimau yang kita perlu tembak, dan kita juga ada ular yang kita perlu lompat. Kita perlu lepasi ular tu. So jangan sampai terpijak sebab nanti dia akan makan health. Lepas tu kita juga ada Lava Lake. Okay, kita ada Waterworks. Oh no, kita ada Lava Lake, kita ada Silver Spaceship. Okay, kita ada Waterworks, dan terakhir sekali kita ada Lethal Lab, you guys. Okay, so aku tak nak bercakap panjang. So tanpa basa-basi, jom kita launch game superlium.exe. Okay?
Desktop list. Games. File Explorer. Items view list. LN2 of 5. Cascade 1 of LN of 5 of Super Liam Windows. Items view list. Super Liam not selected 1 of 1. Items view list. Lib not Super Liam 4 of 4.
Okay, kita launch.
Super Liam version 1.51.
Okay, kita biar intro dia main.
Lworks.
Okay.
Lworks presents Super Liam.
Super Liam main menu play.
Okay, kejap. Sekejap, tekan music.
List settings. Calendar settings. Settings. Cutscene. Extended water escape. Cutscene subtitles off. Extended water escape timer off. Button prompts on. Intro on start or post status. Keypad up to jump back. Super Liam.
Okay.
Super Liam File Explorer. Super Liam File. Super Liam version 1. Ops. Super Liam. Super Liam. Display.
Okay, so music tu tak boleh nak perlahankan. Kejap.
The story. Lit.
Okay, tak boleh. So untuk navigate dalam menu ni, kejap.
Ops 32. Ops 30. Pause. Stop.
Okay, so aku terpaksa pindah Windows. So yang bagusnya, kalau kita pindah Windows dekat Super Liam ni, dia akan turunkan muzik. Nampak? Okay, aku masuk balik Super Liam.
Super Liam version.
Okay.
Ops 32. Ops 30.
Okay, so itu yang bagusnya. So aku akan explain kat sini. So dalam menu ni ada beberapa menu untuk navigate. Okay, macam biasa, up and down arrows untuk cycle. Menu-menu ada. Enter untuk pilih, escape untuk kembali. Okay, so kita tengok ada menu apa kat sini.
Super Liam version. Display.
Display.
The story.
Story.
Settings.
Settings.
Calibrate speakers.
Calibrate speaker.
Read the manual. Opens in a web browser.
Okay. Ni ada manual. Okay.
Check for updates.
Check for updates.
Replay most recent message of the day.
Okay. Ni message of the day. Tak boleh buat.
Exit.
Dan exit.
Check for updates.
So kita check for update dulu. Enter.
You are running the latest version of Super Liam, version 1.51. Press enter to continue.
Okay.
Super Liam, main the story.
So ni kita tengok calibrate speaker.
Set calibrate speakers.
Okay, make sure korang pakai earphone ni atau headphone sebelum korang dengar video ni. So kita calibrate dulu.
Left speaker.
Okay.
Right speaker.
Okay.
Read the manual. Open cal settings.
Kita tengok setting Yalah, okay, kita tengok setting.
Settings. Cutscene subtitles off.
Okay, ni subtitle untuk cutscene. Okay, tak perlu kot. Okay.
Extended water escape timer off.
Okay, ni ada untuk timer.
Cut extended water escape timer off.
So timer dekat water escape dekat water escape dekat nanti level waterworks ada satu level ni boss battle. Okay, lupa aku nak beritahu. Setiap tempat ni ada boss battle dia. Okay. Macam Sandy Surf ada tempat dia. Suburban Street pun ada tempat dia. Okay, Wildwood pun ada tempat dia. Lava Lake pun ada tempat dia. Okay. So ada tempat ada boss battle dia. Okay. So ni boss battle untuk water escape waterworks yang mana kita kena lari selaju mungkin sebelum timer tu habis dan boom, kita akan mati. So ni kita boleh extend timer, tak boleh kot.
Cut extended water escape timer off. Button prompts on.
Button prompts. Pasti kita tekan.
Intro on startup on.
Okay, ni intro logo. Okay, game ni semasa startup ni aku biarkan on.
For post status readouts on.
Okay, aku tak musik.
D-pad up to jump off.
Okay, ni untuk yang main guna joystick lah. Okay, yang main guna joystick. D-pad ni untuk siapa yang guna joystick. D tu untuk lompat. Delta.
Back. Super Liam, the store settings. The story.
Kita baca cerita dulu ya.
The story. Use the left and right arrow keys to change pages. Press escape to go back. Page 1 of 20. Liam was your typical everyday teen. He went to school, came home, did his homework, shot some hoops, and chased after girls. That would all change one day.
Okay.
Page 2 of 20. High above the earth, X1 sat in his control room contemplating what he would do. A full moon. Laughed X1. I can finally conquer the earth like I had planned for years. Just then, there was a loud explosion. No, cried X1. The ship is crashing. Alarms rang, lights flashed, and then all was silent. Page 3 of 20. Liam sat watching TV. The screen was blaring ads for some product no one in their right mind would use. Just then, Liam heard a huge bang. He looked out his window and saw a blue streak followed by a loud boom. Liam guessed that it must have been at least 200 miles away, but he still heard it. Page 4 of 20. DR. Quark paced nervously back and forth. Full moons always made him nervous. It was 20 years ago that he had last vanquished that robot X1, and he didn't want to do it again. He was getting too old for chasing down X1. If something was up, he'd need help, but who could he depend on? Page 5 of 20. Liam didn't like that explosion. It was way too loud. Something didn't feel right. He turned on the TV to a news report. Welcome to Action News, said the reporter. A huge flying disc has just hit the ground outside Bronzeville. Bronzeville? That's 30 miles away, said Liam. Page 6 of 20. The reporter continued. Sources believe that a robot named X1 is behind the disc. X1 was vanquished 20 years ago, but may be back. Residents are advised to seek shelter. A robot? Stammered Liam. Those things don't exist, do they? The thought trailed off in his mind. Page 7 of 20. DR. Quark turned on the TV in his lab. His eyes fell on the scene of the disc. He nearly passed out in fear. No, he's back, screamed DR. Quark, and there's nothing I can do, or is there? He raced to his monitor and flipped through books and charts. If I can't defeat X1, I know someone else can. I need someone strong, adventurous, and brave, but who? Page 8 of 20. Liam sat up in his room. I bet that I'm strong, adventurous, and brave. I feel like destiny is telling me to go defeat this X1. I don't know why. Just then he saw a holograph on his wall. It spoke to him in a strange voice. Go, my son. Go forth and defeat X1. Save the world. Go to the abandoned warehouse on 5th. Go. Page 9 of 20. Just as quickly as it had appeared, the holograph disappeared, leaving a faint outline of a man dressed in a lab coat, and that too disappeared as well. I have to go to this warehouse. I have to, stammered Liam. He threw on some clothes and headed out. It was a cold night, and the air felt heavy as he ran. Page 10 of 20. Up one street, down another, and back up another. He finally found 5th. He ran until he reached the end where a long-forgotten warehouse stood. Its painted walls were cracked and peeling, and some boards looked like they would fall off at any moment. Liam looked for a door, found one, opened it, and walked in. His eyes bugged out in shock. Page 11 of 20. X1 looked at the remains of his ship. It's ruined, he roared. But not all is lost. I still have my power. I know that DR Quark will be after me, so I'll be sneaky. I'll leave a portal right here, and when he walks in, he'll be transported to the netherworld. I'd like to see him get past my robotic troopers and dogs. And once that bumbling fool is gone, the world and everything will be mine. All mine, I tell you. Page 12 of 20. Liam found himself in the lab. Weird monitors and devices lined the walls, casting an eerie glow on the room. Where am I? Liam blurted into the darkness. Here in my lab, came a voice from behind the door. The door opened and DR Quark came out. I'm DR Quark. Welcome to my lab. I'm surprised you walked right in. Only the worthy have found this place. You must be the one to defeat X1. Page 13 of 20. He hobbled forward. Please sit down in that chair. Liam was amazed. Sir, I saw a vision telling me to come here, and well, I guess that I'm here for a reason then. Yes, you are. I am too old to go chasing down a robot, but if you're looking for adventure and excitement, then you are in the right place. Liam stammered. Yeah, I am. Page 14 of 20. Good. I will give you 3 things. A superhero costume which will make you look cool and which I'm sure may come in handy. I also have a laser gun which you will definitely need. And finally, a handy-dandy digital walkie-talkie. Wow, I don't know what to say, said Liam with surprise. Don't say anything, just listen. Page 15 of 20. X1 was spotted outside of town. Fly out there and take a look. And I don't mean fly as a fancy term for walking or running. I mean actual flying. You can fly, can't you? Liam looked at this man in amazement. No, I can't. Oh, that's right. I'm so scatterbrained. Flying is simple. Just jump up and spread your arms. The cape in your costume is a special kind of super light jetpack. Page 16 of 20. When you get to where X1 has been seen, radio me on your walkie-talkie and I'll give you instructions. Good luck. With that, he disappeared into the back room. Liam stepped outside and tried to fly. It took a few attempts, but he unsteadily managed to get up in the air. He floated over the buildings.
Dia terbang.
Page 17 of 20. He leaned forward and found himself hurtling through the air. He saw off in the distance where the disc had landed. He tried to fly toward it, but some invisible force had a hold on him and was pulling him toward it. As he got closer, he saw a glowing frame of light. He tried to avoid it, but he was being pulled toward it way too fast. Liam let out a scream of terror, and then all went dark. Page 18 of 20. When Liam opened his eyes, the sun was shining and it was bright, but something was wrong. The ground under him wasn't grass, it was sand. He stood up and rubbed his sore head. He looked at himself and saw the cape, the laser gun, the radio, and everything he was given. The whole scene came back to him. He picked up his radio and spoke. Hello, hello. A voice on the other end said, Hello, Liam, this is DR. Quark, what happened? Page 19 of 20. Liam began to speak and then he was cut off. He saw a glowing holograph in front of him. Hello, Liam, I'm X1. Welcome to my world. In front of you stretches my world. It's all mine, and I'm glad you can share it with me. It's just too bad that you will be killed in the process. I control everything here, including its inhabitants. Have fun and watch your step. Page 20 of 20. Liam, came a familiar voice from the radio. I heard and saw all of that. Be careful. In front of you is a beach with some robots wandering around, and it looks to me like monkeys dropping coconuts or some kind of fruit. Be careful. Liam looked around and saw what DR Quark was talking about. He began to walk forward, watching for signs of robotic life, and that's where you take over. End of story.
Okay. So, itulah aku cakap tadi, ada robot monyet yang akan jatuhkan kelapa, yang mana kita kena jump over, kita kena lompat atau pass through, kita daripada bawah. Okay, sebelum dia jatuh kita pass. So, kita pun dah masuk ke dunia X1 ya. So, tanpa basa-basi, jom kita masuk ke game ni, dan aku akan jelaskanlah shortcut-shortcutnya.
Super Liam. The story play. Choose a save slot. Press delete to erase a slot. Slot 1 complete. 42,009. Slot 2 empty.
Okay.
Slot 2 empty.
Kita gunakan slot 2. Ada 3 slot.
Slot 3 empty.
Okay.
Slot 2 empty. Slot 1 complete. 42,000. Slot 2 empty.
Okay. Itu slot aku yang main sendiri. Kita pilih slot 2 untuk channel ni.
Enter your name dialog. Please type in your name for the leaderboards and press enter. You can change this later from the leaderboards menu. Edit blank.
Okay, nama aku Fazlin.
Fadzlin.
Fazlin. Yeah.
Your name has been set to Fadzlin. Press enter to continue.
Okay. Enter.
Slot 2 empty. New game.
Okay. Kat sini. Okay, kat slot 2 ni ada satu option je, new game. Kita tekan enter.
Oh, my head. I've gotta be dreaming. I'm not really a superhero. I mean, that's just not possible. It happens in like the movies and TV, but that's not real, is it? No, it's not a dream. Oh, no.
Liam, it's me, Dr. Quark. How are you doing?
Well, I'm alive, but my head really hurts.
Well, you'll have to put the pain aside. This is really important.
Yeah.
What I can gather from your GPS system is you're on the beach of some kind. I'm not really sure what's out there. I sense some life forms. You better be careful, though.
I'll do my best, Dr. Quark.
Well, good luck.
Sandy Surf Act 1. Press enter to continue.
Okay, kita di Sandy Surf Act 1.
Sandy Surf Act 1. Sandy Surf Act 1. Press enter to continue.
Okay, so untuk video kali ni, okay, kita akan main Sandy Surf dan Suburban Street. Okay. Okay. So aku akan buat berpart-part macam biasa. Okay, macam ada tu. So jom kita enter. Okay. So
press F2 for settings.
Okay. P untuk pause. Okay, Papa. P untuk pause. Dan resume.
Press F2 for setting.
Okay, so untuk jalan kanan kiri, okay. Untuk lompat atas, untuk duck tunduk arrow bawah. Okay. Untuk shoot laser gun, kita tekan control. Tak kisah, control kiri, control kanan. So kita boleh gila-gila lah kiri kanan macam ni. So jadi laju. Kalau satu je agak lambat. Okay. So depan tu ada monyet, so jom kita bunuh. Dah, sekali shoot je. Okay, ni robot monyet ya. Okay.
Press F2 for
Untuk check health, kita tekan H, hotel.
100%.
Okay. Untuk check life, kita tekan L, 5.
3 lives.
Okay. Untuk check score, kita tekan S, Sierra.
40 points.
Okay. Lagi aku miss. QWER.
0 total points.
Okay. Total point, T, Tango. Okay. Y, U, I. Okay, tak ada. P untuk pause. A, okay. D, F, G, K, J, K. Okay, tak. Okay. Z, tak ada. X, C.
Position 17.
Okay. C, Charlie untuk coordinate. Position
17.
17. So, kalau aku ke belakang, nampak?
Position 16.
Okay. Ke depan?
Position 17.
Okay. NM. Okay, tak ada. Okay, untuk tukar kita punya facing direction, kita boleh hold shift kiri dan tekan panah kiri atau kanan. Okay. Okay, dengar tu. Okay, hadap kiri, hadap kanan. Hadap kiri, hadap kanan. Okay. Okay. Oh, tak. Okay, tak payah pun. Tak apa, tak payah tekan shift. Just, apa? Tekan panah kiri sekali je. Boleh. Kanan. Kalau hold, dia akan jalan. Okay, tu ada robot anjing. Kita shoot dia. Okay. Robot tu perlukan 5 shoot 5 kali tembakan. Okay. Okay. Okay, dengar tu. Ini adalah robot monyet yang drop kelapa. Okay. So kita kena pass. Tak perlu lompat. Macam ni lah. Okay. Dia tak jatuh. Kita lompat. Ataupun pass daripada bawah. Macam ni tengok jalan. Macam tu. Okay. Okay. So kita tekan. Kita terus ke depan. So untuk cepat, okay, kalau jalan macam ni lambat. Kalau nak cepat, kita lompat sambil jalan. Sekejap. Pas. Okay. Ini untuk laju. Lop. Nanti. Okay. Pas. Okay. Ni di sebelah kanan ni truk adalah item. So kita kena jalan ke item tu dan kita akan grab item tu.
Health boost.
Okay, kita dapat health boost. Tengok health kita.
100%.
Okay, sama. Okay, itu maximum health kita ya. Okay, ini adalah portal untuk kita ke next level. So kita perlu step atas portal ni dan kita akan diteleport ke Act 2. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Time bonus 42 points. Your score for this level was 622 points. Your total score is 622 points. Press enter to continue.
Okay. Level kedua.
Sandy Surf Act 2. Press enter to continue.
Okay, kita enter. Uish. Uish. Sekejap. Pas. Okay. Jadi. Oi. Pas. Okay. Kita lompat ke kanan. Cepat. Push. Okay. Lompat lagi. Lompat lagi. Oh. Pas, lompat. Okay. Wush. Hati. Wush. Okay. Okay, ada item di bawah monyet tu. So kita kena go.
Health boost.
Okay, dapat health boost. Terima kasih. Oi. Pas. Pas. Oi, okey. Makin laju. Okey, makin laju Nampak? Okey. So kita kena timing.
Extra life.
Okey, extra lah dapat tadi. Okey, terima kasih. Okey, timing. Okey, timing. Go. Ada item kita start.
Health boost.
Okay. Banyak. Okay, ni portal. Kita start. Go. Okay, sekarang kita masuk ke boss battle. Okay. So,
Time bonus 136 points. Your score for this level was 1216 points. Your total score is 1838 points. Press enter to continue.
Ah, my communicator.
Well, hello there, Super Liam. I wanted to welcome you, but I have a lot of better things to do than deal with you. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the beach, since you're about to get crushed by Airbot. Well, it was nice knowing you.
Airbot Okay.
Sandy Surf Airbot Battle. Press enter.
Okay.
Press F2 for settings.
Aku lupa untuk music. Kita boleh patch up, patch down untuk naikkan turunkan volume. Okay. So, untuk Airbot battle ni, okay. Apa yang kita perlu buat adalah kita shoot robot ni. Okay. So, bila kita shoot dia akan terbang ke atas, dia akan naik ke atas dan cuba kita landing atas kita, dan benda tu sangat menyakitkan lah. Okay, sangat-sangat menyakitkan dan boleh memakan health kita. So, dan dia juga boleh tembak laser kat kita. Okay. So, kita kena tembak dan tunggu dia naik. Okay, dia lompat tak kita. Okay. So, lepas dia lompat tu, korang akan dengar bunyi. Macam tu. Macam robot gelak kan. Lepas tu, lepas korang dengar bunyi gelak tu, korang cepat-cepat pergi ke arah tak kisah arah kiri kanan. Okay, terus korang kena jalan. Korang jangan berhenti kat situ. Okay. Korang tak boleh duduk situ dan diam. Sebab kalau korang buat macam tu, nanti korang kena hempap. Okay. Kena land dengan robot tu dan sakit lah. Okay, damage. Okay. So dia boleh turunkan health. Okay, so jom kita cuba. Kita praktikkan Okay. Okay, mana robot tu? Tu dia. Tembak. Lari. Okay. Lepas tu arahkan sana ke kiri. Tembak. Okay, elak. Lagi. Okay. Lagi. Oh, okay. Nampak? Okay, berlaju. Okay. Mati.
Time bonus 261 points. Your score for this level was 1041 points. Your total score is 2879 points. Press enter to continue.
Okay, so level Sandy Surf pun dah habis. So kita ke level seterusnya. Okay, Kasin.
Hey, that wasn't so bad at all.
Ui, okay.
Well, you beat Airbot, so what? Yeah, I got a big head. See if I care. Just remember, Liam, it gets harder.
Okay.
Yeah, sure it does. Sure it does. Whoa!
Wow. Kita di teleport. Wow.
Whoa! Talk about a warp or a jump or something. Wow, where am I?
Kita kat Suburban Street.
Well, he wants to know where he is. Some superhero you are can't even tell
77.
where you're going.
Hey man, shut up!
Yeah, you shut up too, you dummy. Well, you're on the suburban streets, and
Okay.
this is one of my favorite places in the world to watch you get fried. By the way, watch your step.
Okay. Tak ada masalah.
Suburban Streets, Act 1. Press enter to continue.
Okay, bateri aku.
77%, 1 hour and...
Okay. Okay.
Press
So,
F2 for setting.
korang dengar bunyi toing, toing, toing. Itu adalah solar system. Okay. Pipe, okay. So, kita jangan masuk dah tu. Bahaya. So, kita kena jump over. Okay. So, kita kena ambil 2 step. 1, 2. Okay, ada tile besi tu. Tile metal. So, metal, sorry. Kita kena lompat. Okay. Macam ni Macam tu Okay. Okay. Ni konkrit. Okay. Konkrit. Okay. Ni. 1, 2. Dan lompat. Oh.
95%.
Aku. Kita kena serang bunyi. So macam tu lah cara lompat ni. Okay.
Press F.
Ini adalah penunggang motor. So kita kena lompat melepasi dia. Okay. Dah. Hati-hati. 1, 2, lompat. Okay. Okay, hati-hati ada botol. Lompat. So kita tak boleh shoot motor. Kita tak boleh tembak. Okay, so far so good. 1, 2. Jangan kena lompat lah. Okay. Okay.
95%.
So hati-hati
Health boost.
Okay, terima kasih. Oh, lompat. Okay, 1, 2. Sekejap. 1, 2. Lompat. Ya. Okay, next level.
Time bonus 175 points. Your score for this level was 855 points. Your total score is 3734 points. Press enter to Suburban Streets, Act 2. Press
Okay.
F2 for
So, level ni aku nak tunjuk korang cara untuk pergi bonus level. Okay. So, korang boleh melepasi level ni dan terus ke boss battle. So, caranya lah, okay, kita pergi kat Sowers dulu. Okay. Okay, so kat sini, kat Sowers ni, okay. Cara nak pergi bonus level Okay, aku cuba Aku pun kurang ingat ni, tapi ni apa yang aku ingat. Caranya adalah, okay, korang ambil 2 step dan korang lompat. Okay, tapi jangan lompat terus. Jangan lompat terus ke kanan. Korang lompat, tekan arrow atas. Kemudian 1 kali arrow kanan. Okay, 1 kali arrow kanan. Lepas tu korang terus tunduk. Okay. Maksudnya korang tekan panah atas, panah kanan, lepas tu tahan turn arrow untuk duck. Okay, kita cuba Okay, ni seingat aku lah. Kalau tak jadi, minta maaf ya. Okay. So, kita cuba Okay. Kita ambil 2 step. 1, 2. Kita lompat, arrow atas, sekali arrow kanan, lepas tu terus tahan down arrow.
It's bonus time.
Okay. Menjadi. Okay.
Bonus level.
So,
Press F2
Sini.
for settings.
sini korang boleh kumpul item. Okay. Korang tak ada enemy yang korang kena hadap. So, jom.
1,000 point
Health boost.
Kumpul item.
Extra life. Extra life.
1,000 point bonus.
Extra life.
1,000 point bonus. 1,000 point bonus.
Okay, dan
Press F2 for
bila
settings.
bila kita guna portal ni, kita akan terus ke boss battle. Okay. Okay.
Time bonus 271 points. Your score for this level was 4611 points. Your total score is 8345 points. Press enter to continue.
Okay, bersedia untuk boss battle? Jom.
Ah, it's my communicator again. I have no idea who this could be.
Well, well, well. It's nice to see you've made it this far. It's getting tougher though. Look off to your right. Yes, over there. And you'll see Cyclebot.
Okay.
Yes, he's ready to mow you down, so... Nice knowing you, Super Liam. What a dumb name.
Suburban streets. Cyclebot battle. Press enter to continue.
Okay.
Press
So,
F2.
Cyclebot ni, okay, cara lawan dia adalah kita kena shoot robot ni. Okay, robot ni dia naik motosikal lah. Okay, dia guna motor untuk langgar kita. Okay, so kita kena jump over dan shoot. Jump over dan jump, kita kena lompat, lepas ni lepas tu dia shoot. Okay, kita kena kejar motor tu. Dan bila dia mendekati kita, kita kena lompat dan tukar arah. Okay, ikut motor tu pergi mana. Okay, so korang kena bunuh dia secepat mungkin. Okay, so jom kita kena bunuh robot ni. So okay, lompat. Okay, kita shoot. Lompat, shoot lagi, kejar dia, lompat. Aduh, sorry, salah lompat. Nah, macam tu cara main dia. Okay.
Time bonus 274 points. Your score for this level was 1074 points. Your total score is 9419 points. Press enter.
Oops.
Press enter to continue. Time bonus 200.
Oh yeah, I win. That was nothing. Oh, hey, a letter. I didn't see this before. Dear Liam, you are a loser, and my minions will crush you. Just wait and see. Signed, X1. P.S. Visit streammadness.com. What? What is that? Oh, I don't know what that is. Jeez, here we go. Oh! Whoa, where is this? It's really spooky. Whoa, what was that?
Ular.
Oh man, I really don't want to be here.
Liam, it's me, Dr. Cork. I picked you up on the GPS system, and, I see you're in a forest, and there's stuff there. I don't know what... Find X1, you have to kill him.
Wild Woods Act 1. Press enter to continue. Exit the slot. No. Yes. Slot 2. Wild.
Okay, so
Back. Super Liam. Main menu. Ops 32. Op.
So, kat sini itu saja untuk video kali ni. Kita sampai Suburban Street dulu, okay? Nanti kemudian hari kita akan sambung di Whitewood pula ya. So jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, subscribe dan aktifkan notifikasi supaya korang tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel Reza Ria Gaming. Okay, so kita berjumpa di part 2 Super Liam insyaAllah. Okay, saya Fazil Akhir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Pause. Stop. No. Yes, but.